In this video, we will see the trick to multiply any number by 11 mentally and very quickly. So let us learn this by an example. Let us take a number, any number, say 2, 3, 4, and we need to multiply it by 11. Okay, so the simple way is just see the first digit of the number. The first digit of the number is 2 and the last digit of the number is 4. In your answer, in your product which you will get by multiplying the number by 11, the first digit always be the first digit of your product and the last digit will always be the last digit of your product. So write that down. What about the digits in the middle? You have to add the consecutive digits from the units place. So you do 4 plus 3. You have to add it to get the digit 7. And then you do 3 plus 2 to get the digit 5. And you need to continue adding the adjacent digit till you reach the first digit of your number. So the answer of 234 multiplied by 11 is 2574. We will do one more example. An easy one again without any carry. Say 153 into 11. So let us write 153. In the answer, the first digit becomes the first digit. The last digit becomes the last digit. The second digit will be the sum of 5 and 3, which gives us 8. And third digit will be the sum of 1 and 5, which gives us 6. So our answer is 1683. So how simple it is? Now let us consider a number in which we can get some carry. How do we handle the carry? So let us take 2, 8, 6, 3, 7 and try to multiply it by 11. So in the answer, the first digit will become the first digit. Let us write it down. The last digit becomes the last digit. Now let's add 7 and 3 to get a 10. So we write the 0 of the 10 and keep 1 for the carry. 6 plus 3, 9, and 9 added to this carry gives us a 10 again. So write a 0 and keep a carry 1 again. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 added to this carry gives you 15. So we write the 5 of the 15 and keep 1 for the carry. And 8 plus 2 gives us a 10. 10 added to this carry over 1 gives us an 11. So we write the 1 and keep 1 for the carry. Now we said that the first digit is 2. So this 1 will be added to 2 to give us a 3. So the result is 3, 1, 5, 0, 0, 7. Okay, let me just repeat. First digit becomes the first digit. The last digit becomes the last digit. Then you keep adding the digits. So 7 plus 3 gives you a 10. You write a 0. You take 1 in the carry. 6 plus 3 is 9. Add the 1 of the carry to give you a 10. Write 0 again. Take 1 for the carry. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 added to 1 carry gives you a 15. So write the 5 of 15. Take 1 in carry again. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus that carry over gives you an 11. And the 1 carry over gets added to the 2. So your answer is 315007. Okay. Now let me give you a question. Please pause the video, take down the question and see whether you are able to solve it. So let us take a question 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 multiplied by 11. Okay, you can pause the video, you can solve the question. Let us see what answer do we get here. First digit is first, last digit is last. 8 plus 7, gives you 15. So I write a 5 and I write 1 of the carry over here. Okay, then I'll do 7 plus 6, which gives me a 13, and 1 added up to 13 of the carry over gives me a 14, and I put 1 in the carry again. Now we will do 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 gives an 11 and 1 of the carry makes it 12, and we put 1 in the carry over again. 5 plus 4 is 9, and 9 added to 1 of the carry gives it 10. So write down 0 of the 10 and take 1 carry, and this one gets added to this 4 to give you a 5. So the answer is 5, 0, 2, 4, 5, 8. Yes? So this is a very simple technique to multiply any number by 11. Now whenever you have to do any calculation, especially the calculation which we do in mensuration, when we have to find the volume, surface area of cylinder, cone, or maybe the area of the circle, where we use the constant pi. What is the value of pi? The value of pi is 22 over 7. And 22 is nothing but 2 into 11 over 7. We can split 22 as 2 into 11. So any calculation which includes pi in the calculation, we can use this technique to multiply by 11 and get the answer faster. So I hope this technique is clear to you. So if you have liked my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel Mathacademy at the link given below. Also, if you need more of such mental calculation tricks, you can send me an email at kirti.mathacademy@gmail.com. Thank you.